Hello guys, today we are going to learn about isomers and homologous series. Links for previous videos are in the description. Please watch those before this for better understanding. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Hello guys, today we are going to learn about isomers and functional groups. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Isomers. For example, in organic chemistry, the same molecular formula of C4H10 represents two compounds, normal butane and isobutane. This point will become more clear from the following example. Consider an organic compound C4H10 called butane. This compound contains 4 carbon atoms which can be joined in two different ways to give two different structures. First, all the 4 carbon atoms are joined in a continuous side chain to give the following structure. This structure represents the compound normal butane, which is written in short form as N-butane. In the second case, 3 carbon atoms can be put in a side chain and the 4th carbon atom can be joined in the side chain to give another structure shown below. The compound having this structure is called isobutane. We find that both normal butane and isobutane have the same molecular formula C4H10, but they have different structures. They are called isomers. The organic compounds having the same molecular formula but different structures are known as isomers. In other words, the organic compounds having the same molecular formula but different arrangements of carbon atoms in them are known as isomers. Please note that normal butane has a side chain structure, whereas isobutane has a branched chain structure. Another point to be noted is that IUPAC name of normal butane is butane and that of isobutane is 2-methylpropane or just methylpropane. The existence of 2 or more different organic compounds having the same molecular formula but different structures is called isomerism. Isomerism is only possible with hydrocarbons having 4 or more carbon atoms, because only then we can have 2 or more different arrangements of carbon atoms. No isomerism is possible in hydrocarbons containing 1, 2 or 3 carbon atoms per molecule, because then only one arrangement of carbon atoms is possible. For example, no isomerism is possible in methane, ethane and propane because they contain only 1, 2 or 3 carbon atoms respectively. 2 isomers of the compound butane are possible. 3 isomers of the compound pentane are possible and 5 isomers of the compound hexane are possible. As the number of carbon atoms in an alkane molecule increases, the number of possible isomers increases rapidly. Sample problem. How many structural isomers are possible for pentane? Draw the structural formula of all the possible isomers of pentane. Solution. The molecular formula of pentane is C5H12. It has 5 carbon atoms. We have to arrange these 5 carbon atoms in different possible ways to obtain all the isomers of pentane. First, we write all the 5 carbon atoms in one side chain. This will give us an isomer called normal pentane. Next, we write 4 carbon atoms in the side chain and 1 carbon atom in the side chain. Finally, we put 3 carbon atoms in the side chain and the remaining 2 carbon atoms in 2 side chains. This gives us a third isomer of pentane called neopentane. We cannot have any more arrangements of 5 carbon atoms of pentane, so only 3 structural isomers are possible for pentane. Homologous series. All the organic compounds having similar structures show similar properties and they are put together in the same group of series. The organic compounds are arranged in the order of increasing molecular masses. A homologous series is a group of organic compounds having similar structures and similar chemical properties in which the successive compounds differ by CH2 group. The various organic compounds of a homologous series are called homologues. It is clear that the two adjacent homologues differ by one carbon atom and two hydrogen atoms. Examples of homologous series. All the alkanes have similar structures with single covalent bonds and so similar chemical properties. So they can be grouped together in the form of a homologous series. The general formula of the homologous series of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of carbon atoms in one molecule of an alkane. Characteristics of a homologous series. All the members of a homologous series can be represented by the same general formula. For example, all the members of the alkane series can be represented by the general formula CnH2n plus 2. Any two adjacent homologues differ by one carbon atom and two hydrogen atoms in their molecular formula. That is, any two adjacent homologues differ by a CH2 group. For example, the first two adjacent homologues of the alkane series, methane and ethane, differ by one carbon atom and two hydrogen atoms. The difference between CH4 and C2H6 is CH2. The difference in the molecular masses of any two adjacent homologues is 14 units. For example, the molecular mass of methane is 16 units and that of its next higher homologue ethane is 30 units. So, the difference in the molecular masses of ethane and methane is 30 minus 16 is equal to 14 units. All the compounds of a homologous series show similar chemical properties. For example, all the compounds of alkane series like methane, ethane, propane, etc. undergo substitution reactions with chlorine. The members of a homologous series show a gradual change in their physical properties with increase in molecular masses. For example, in the alkane series, as the number of carbon atoms per molecule increases, the melting points, boiling points, and densities of its members increase gradually. Homologous series of alkenes. The general formula of the homologous series of alkenes is CnH2n, where N is the number of carbon atoms in one molecule of alkene. The first 5 members of the homologous series of alkenes are given below. Homologous series of alkenes. The general formula of homologous series of alkenes is CnH2n-2, where N is the number of carbon atoms in one molecule of alkyne. The first 5 members of the alkane homologous series are given below. We have just given the homologous series of hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. The organic compounds such as haloalkanes, alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids also form the homologous series. Sample problem. Which of the following belong to the same homologous series? C3H8, C3H6, C4H8, C4H6. All these compounds are hydrocarbons. So all that we have to do is to find out which of them are alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. C3H8 corresponds to the general formula for alkanes CnH2n plus 2 with N is equal to 3. Therefore, C3H8 is an alkane. C3H6 and C4H8 correspond to the general formula for alkanes CnH2n with N is equal to 3 and N is equal to 4. Therefore, C3H6 and C4H8 are both alkenes. C4H6 corresponds to the general formula for alkanes CnH2n minus 2 with N is equal to 4. Therefore, C4H6 is an alkane.